Hey everyone, this is GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. After starting the lab, log in your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then come onto the Google Cloud Console and activate your Cloud Shell from here. Now click on this continue. Then authorize. Then come onto the lab instruction page. From task number 1, copy this code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay. Then again come onto the lab instruction page. Click on this check my progress. You will get the green tick here. If not, then click 2 to 3 times on the check my progress, and here we have got the green tick. Then scroll down and copy this code from this third point, paste it here and hit enter. After this code get executed, again come onto the lab instruction page, copy this code from point number 4, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, this code is also executed. Then again come onto the lab instruction page, copy this code from point number 5, paste it here and hit enter. Now wait for some time. Okay, after this code get executed, come onto the lab instruction page and come onto the task number 2. We have to run all this code one by one in active Cloud Shell. So copy this first code from task number 2, paste it here and hit enter. Then again come back to the lab instruction page, copy this second code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, after this code get executed, again come onto the lab instruction page, click on this check my progress for this task. Okay, we have got the green tick here. Then again copy this third code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, then this fourth, paste it here. Okay, this also executed. Then this fifth code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, done. Then this sixth code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, done. Now click on this check my progress. And now copy this seventh code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, done. Now click on this check my progress for this task. Again click on this check my progress. Okay, we have got the green tick. If you also face that error like that, so simply click on this check my progress 2 to 3 times, you will get the green tick. Then after completing the task number 2, directly come onto the task number 5, copy this first code from task number 5, paste it here and hit enter. Then again to come onto the lab instruction page, copy this second command, paste it here and hit enter. Then copy this third code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, done. Now copy this fourth code, paste it here and hit enter. Now wait for some time. Okay, done. Now copy this fifth code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, done. Now scroll down, copy this sixth code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, done. Now copy this seventh code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, now if asked why you're in, then simply hit Y and click on enter. Now wait for some time. Again, this is asking why you're in, then press Y, hit enter. Now wait for some time to get this code executed. Okay, after some time you will get this type of link. So simply click on this link. Okay, this is not opening. Simply click 2 to 3 times. This link will open. Okay. If link is not opening, then just wait 2 to 3 minutes and again click on the link. Okay, once this link got open, simply come onto the lab instruction page. Simply come onto the Google Cloud Console again and wait for some time. This code will take some time. Okay, done. Now again come back to the lab instruction page. Copy this eighth code, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, done. So we have done with this task number 5 also. Click on this check my progress. We have got the green tick. Then come on to the task number 6 and we have to run this first two commands, the first two codes only. So copy the first code, paste it here and hit enter. Then after executing the code, copy the second command, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so we have done with this task number 6 also. Scroll down a little bit, you will get this check my progress for task number 6. Simply click on this check my progress, you will get the green tick here. So we have completed all the tasks from this lab. Simply click on this end lab. Okay, so if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and if you like this tutorial video, hit the like and subscribe.